Okay. So you are from the Skyward team.
Okay.
Could you talk a bit about yourself and about what you have here?
Okay. I'm Diego Malusardi. I'm the project manager of the project Orion, the rocket project of this year from Skyward. And we are here at Europe, and now I will list the news of this project. First of all, we start from the refurbishing of our refueling system. This is what we call the refueling cart. This will be brought to the launch pad, and we will do the refueling with all this setup. We have all the fluidics needed to load the oxidizer and the pressurizer inside the rocket. And on the other side, we have all the electronics which will control the valves and the sensors on the systems. As you can see, we have this kind of transportation method, which is needed because the terrain is very big holes, and we need a very hard system to get all the refueling system to the launch pad.
So this is for loading the nitrous oxide into the rocket?
Yes, we will load both nitrous oxide and nitrogen inside the rocket this year, because we have added the pressurization system to the nitrous oxide, due both for performances and for the competition rules.
Okay. This will be the rocket?
Yes. Actually, what you are seeing here is the rocket which flew at Rocketry in September. All the parts that you can see here are the parts of the real rocket which has landed at Rocketry. So as you can see, all the rocket has been recovered entirely without damages. And talking about the rocket, we have first of all a new fin can. This fin can has been made in a single piece using different layers of carbon fibers. Then we have the fluidics connecting the tank of oxidizer to the combustion chamber. This tank is also a new feature because this is a composite material tank. And then we have the fluidics connecting the pressurizer tank to the oxidizer tank with the pressure regulator, which will switch the pressure from 200 bars to 60 bars. And above we have the air brakes to control the apogee altitude, all the connectors and the switches to turn on the main electronics, the main electronics itself, the recovery system, and in the point we have the nose cone with the payload itself.
So the payload is inside the nose cone?
Yes, the payload is inside the nose cone. And one other news from this year is that we have developed a new kind of antennas. These kind of antennas are embedded inside the fuselage of the powerful blade, which is on the point. And this allows us to take some more space inside the bay, so that we can fit more electronics, more sensors, and it's more optimized.
Okay.